gotta start somewhere, why not here? If you gotta start sometime, why not now? If we gotta start somewhere, I say.
This was a very good trip for me. Me as a person, I was changed. So American people, please keep giving and keep sending these people to us.
The enemy cannot shake us. We become stronger every day, because the more the devil becomes stronger, if we come together and unify ourselves, the more the army of Jesus Christ can become stronger.
They are doing great work in visiting the schools, preaching to the young people in the schools, because they are hungry for the gospel. So your coming has done a great impact. I know their lives have been changed. It gives the people the confidence that God knows us. We are not here in the up country, and God put us here, He forgot us, but God knows us. So your coming is very, very important. Impact the lives of people here.
If you gotta start somewhere.
Woo! Come on!
Blind will see, and through you the mute will sing, and through you the dead will rise, through you all hearts will